Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to enable your secure boot on Windows 11 on PC. Now, before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that your secure boot is enabled or disabled at the moment. To check this, we go to the search bar here and then we type system information. And then you click system information and then you will see this list. Here it says secure boot state, and it'll say if it's off or on. So if it's on, you don't really have to do anything, but if it's off, these are the steps to take. Alright, now we go to the settings of your PC. You can either click settings or you go to right click Windows and settings here. Now you go to Windows Update, and under Windows Update you have advanced options, and under additional options you click recovery. And in here, under recovery options, you have advanced startup, and then you have to click restart now. Now, once I click restart now, I will stop screen recording and will switch to the camera, where I will show you how to navigate to the secure boot menu and how to enable your secure boot there. Now, once your restart is done, you will get into a blue screen like this. Now here, you will have to use your keypad to go to troubleshoot first, and then under troubleshoot, you go to advanced options, and under advanced options, you go to UEFI firmware settings. And here you will have to restart again, so click restart. Now you will get into a page like this. So this is where things will vary from different PCs. So mine looks kind of like this, and if it doesn't for you, what you want to do is you find your settings menu. So my one is right here, so I will click settings, and then you want to find your security settings section. So once you find the security settings section, under the security settings is where you will basically find the secure boot options. So here you will find secure boot. So under secure boot, it will basically say disable if it's disabled. So what you want to do is you click enabled. If you can't find it under security, you might find it on boot as well. If not, it'll have to be on security. So once that's done, you go to exit and you click exit saving changes. Or you can also click F10, which will basically save and exit also. So once that's done, a prompt like this will appear to save confirmation, and then you click yes, and your computer will save everything and restart again with secure boot enabled. Now, to make sure that your secure boot is enabled, you go to system information again, where in the search bar you click system information, and here it will basically say secure boot state on if it's on. So that's pretty much how it works. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching.